I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making a cheese sauce. Who doesn't love that? It's dairy-free and delicious.
There are so many applications. Queso dip, chili cheese dog, chili baked potatoes, mac and cheese, over broccoli and cauliflower. The list goes on and on.
If you love cheese as much as I do, finding a non-dairy solution is like an answer to a prayer. Let's make some. The ingredients for cheese sauce are Cheri's HazelCream, flour, gluten-free of course, butter, dairy-free of course, Daya, cheese sauce, and smoked paprika or cayenne pepper. I'm adding my butter and flour together. They need to cook for a few minutes in order to get rid of the flour taste. Cheri's HazelCream. Now it's time to add the cheese. Unfortunately, so many of the non-dairy cheeses just don't melt very well. So I'm going to start with a cheese that's already in sauce form. This is Daya cheddar. I'm going to turn off the heat and add some smoked paprika. This is optional. You can also add cayenne. Eileen, come try my cheese sauce. This is as close to a fondue as I've ever made.
Gladly. This looks delicious. It's delicious, and that was really easy to make too, wasn't it?
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.